Hey, today is a great day for cleaning and organizing, so let's tackle it. And we're going to start with the nightstand drawers. Let's make lemonade out of lemons. I am going to start today and I am going to organize, declutter. I'm going to start with drawers. I'm going to do closets. I'm going to do whatever I come to, but I'm going to tackle it room by room so it's not so overwhelming. And that will give me a goal. Like if I decide I want to do the bedroom, well, that might be all that I get done today. So compartmentalize your task. It doesn't seem quite so overwhelming. And the cool thing about that is once the bedroom's done, it's done. We will be so happy that we have a clean and organized space. And that's some of the best medicine I can think of. I love my Hoover wind tunnel, but I sure could use a handheld Dyson for little things like the drawers. Hey, I'm Nancy here. Welcome to Designer Savvy if you're new. This is a decorating, organizing, DIY, and lifestyle channel. If these topics interest you, then you may want to consider subscribing and click the bell. I'll let you know when I post new videos each week. And let's get right back into organizing. So I have an organizing tip for you guys. When decluttering or organizing, when you put your hands on that item, pick it up and immediately put it where it's going to be staying. So if that's a drawer, put it in a drawer, closet, put it in a closet. If it's going in a box so you can give it away, donate it, then put it there. Touch the item only once. Now, later on you might decide that you're going to reorganize the space where you just put that item. That's okay. But the goal is for you to touch the item only once and put it where it belongs right then and there. The key to organization is efficiency. Ready to tackle nightstand number 2. Another tip I have for you is how to keep your jewelry in the absolute best condition. So I am also organizing this jewelry cabinet. What you want to do is be sure that you have a silica gel pack in each drawer or a piece of chalk, or you can have both, because these items absorb the moisture, and moisture is extremely damaging to the metals on your jewelry. So just make sure you have one of those in each drawer. Be careful that little ones cannot get to these gel packets. So I want to give you another tip on how to store your sterling silver jewelry. In here, individually wrapped, I have a sterling silver ring and a sterling silver bracelet. I have included a piece of chalk. The chalk will absorb the moisture, and moisture is not a friend to our metals, so it keeps the metals from tarnishing. So make sure if you're going to put more than one piece in a bag that you wrap each piece individually. And I did clean both of these pieces with a dry cloth before putting them in the cheesecloth and before putting them in the bag. So the cheesecloth, it's just cheesecloth that you would use for canning purposes. And this came from either Walmart or another local grocery store. So easy to find, especially during your summer months when you're canning your fruits and vegetables. So I'm done organizing the drawers. I have my silica gel packs. I also have pieces of chalk in here. So this is my earring drawer, and it's done. And then I also put all of my jewelry sets in these bags, zipped them shut. That'll be another video when I show you exactly how to do that. But this jewelry armoire is all finished. So another cool thing I am doing, I'm going through the house as I clean room by room, and if anything is broken, I am repairing it. So this had 2 broken petals and a broken leaf. I just super glued it. So these little things that we put off and we don't do because it's going to take just a few minutes to do it, those are the things I want to get done now. So I'm in the process of cleaning off this hutch, and I'm not going to clean the house now. I just want to get organized and declutter and that kind of thing first, and then I'll go through and do a deep clean. Here's another thing I want to show you all. I bought this just within the last week at Walmart. I absolutely love it. You know, I'm crazy about magnolias, So love the container, love the design on there. So I got some essential oils, and both of these are Better Homes and Gardens. This was, I think, less than $10, and that was just a few dollars. Tangerine fragrance. It smells really nice. I've had this now with the oils in it for a couple days. I think it's going to be more for a smaller area than a large space, but it still smells yummy, and I'm excited about that. So this space isn't going to require much, just a little bit of tweaking. It looks the same as it did a few weeks ago when I did a master bathroom makeover of my cabinetry. So here's my side of the vanity. It also looks the same as it did with the last makeover. I keep towels here, and then this is makeup, hair products, perfumes. This is lotion. Got to show you all this. Instead of spending a fortune on hand creams, and I've tried every kind out there, I have lots of allergies to chemicals. So this is absolutely 100% pure extra virgin olive oil, and this is what I use as my lotion. Use it on the face and all over the body, and absolutely love it. There's no odor with it. It absorbs quickly, and I absolutely love it. And then toothbrush. I do have an old partial bottle of lotion back there. I'm not going to let anything go to waste. I will use it. And then we have washcloths down here, and then these are air freshening products, our disinfectant wipes, and the toilet plunger, the toilet brush, and just cleaning supplies for the bathroom back there. So I'll just tweak it just a little bit. Looks very good. And then shortly we will move on to the master closet. Here's another tip for you. Makeups that I use every day, I keep in this Ziploc bag, and it stays right in here. So first thing in the morning, if I want to put my makeup on here in this bathroom, or if I'm going downstairs and putting my makeup on, or need to grab it to go to pack, to go somewhere overnight, then I have it in the bag. So it works for me. It might not work for you, but it works for me really well. So which of these 7 tips so far has been your favorite? Leave a comment below. Life is full of many challenges, and with the one we're facing right now, I decided that my lemonade was going to be organizing, decluttering, and cleaning. Next challenge is the master bedroom closet and the linen closet. Stay tuned.